Psych.
Lip blanc.
Hey, you got some barbecue sauce in the base.
Where?
Onion fish.
Okay.
What's up, guys? Symposer Delete Kit by Steeda. So no more artificial sounds in the cabin. It's all exhaust, intake, blow off noises. Because Ford thought it would be cool, which it is cool if you have a stock setup, but basically it gets sound from the intake, manifold and whatnot, and dumps it into the cabin, which is cool. But after you get upgrades and everything, it's kind of pointless and clutters up the engine bay. So here we go. These guys are here too. Just
Sup?
Sup?
You already know.
Yeah, I know. Look what I got. Ruined my shot.
okay.
Okay. Okay. Finally got freaking Allen wrench socket set. Because every time we do something like this, anything on this car, we have to use like these little tiny Allen like key wrenches or whatever, and then stick our hand in there and just go eat, and then readjust and go eat, and pull it out, readjust, eat, pull it out, eat. When you could just get this, stick it in and go. Look how fast we did that blow-off valve. That was dark times.
That was not the case.
Who said? Watch this. Look out, Victor.
What?
Oh, look out. I'm about to slap you with this Kit Kat if you don't move. Yo, I will do it.
I'll duck it.
There's chocolate on it.
I'll duck it.
I'll duck it. It started.
It's like a one-man job or what?
Yeah.
Because mine was two-man, but no one helped me.
This wasn't two, man.
Now we gotta get the other part by the battery. Okay. Light over here, sir.
Sorry, he put something in my butt.
What's with you fuckers and butt fucking?
What's up with you fuckers and butt fucking?
We don't butt fuck.
Eat the poo poo.
Oh yeah. He eats the poo poo.
Is this gonna be like time lapse?
Probably.
Bobby, he's like,
All I do is say, she's like, yeah. She goes, Christian. You're so funny.
No, that was so much easier right there.
More power.
All that. To the desk.
Firewall's plugged up. Steeda's installed. No tools in the engine bay.
always check that.
Get close on that filter though. Yeah, business. Hey, that's a mad weight reduction, bro.
Yeah. No more clutter. Much quieter. You can hear everything now.
It's so quiet.
You can hear everything. It's like a normal car.
Fantastic. Eat the boo-boo. Eat the boo-boo.
Eat the boo. You eat the boo boo. It better be cold though. I like it when it's warm.
When do you ever have warm sushi?
Deep
That's
fried.
Is that a wrap?
That's a wrap.
That's a wrap. Right?
That's a wrap.
Is that a wrap?
Yeah.
All right.